Curb appeal is more than just a buzzword in the world of real estate. It's the first impression your home makes. In Auburn Hills, where charming neighborhoods and beautifully landscaped properties abound, having a home that stands out is important. One of the most impactful ways to enhance your home's exterior appeal while also improving interior functionality is by adding or upgrading bay windows. Bay windows, with their timeless elegance and practicality, can transform the look and feel of your Auburn Hills home, making it more inviting and stylish. Here's how. Create a stunning exterior look. Bay windows protrude outward from the home's main walls, creating an architectural feature that instantly grabs attention. Whether your Auburn Hills home is a classic ranch, a modern two-story, or a cozy colonial, bay windows add depth and dimension to an otherwise flat facade. With their expansive glass panels, bay windows reflect sunlight beautifully, making your home's exterior gleam throughout the day. Adding decorative trims or shutters around the bay windows can further amplify their charm and create a polished, cohesive aesthetic. Let in natural light. One of the standout features of bay windows is their ability to invite abundant natural light into your home. Auburn Hills experiences a delightful mix of seasons, and bay windows allow you to enjoy every one of them from the comfort of your living room or kitchen. During sunny Michigan mornings, the light streaming through the wide, angled panes brightens your home, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Additionally, natural light enhances the perception of space, making rooms appear larger and more open, perfect for creating an airy feel in your home. Boost energy efficiency. Modern bay windows come with energy-efficient options, such as insulated glass and low-emissivity coatings. These features keep your home warm during Auburn Hills' chilly winters and cool during hot summer days. When installed properly, bay windows can significantly reduce energy costs, making them not only an aesthetic upgrade but also a practical one. Expand living space. The unique design of bay windows creates additional space inside your home. The outward projection forms a nook that can be customized in countless ways. For example, reading corner. Add a plush bench with cushions and a small bookshelf to create a cozy retreat. Breakfast area. In the kitchen, transform the bay window into a sunny spot for enjoying your morning coffee. Decorative showcase. Use the space to display plants, artwork, or seasonal decorations. This added functionality increases the usability of your rooms and enhances the overall value of your property. Add value to your home. Bay windows are an investment that pays off. According to real estate experts, homes with unique architectural features tend to attract more buyers and fetch higher prices. In Auburn Hills' competitive market, installing bay windows can set your home apart, making it more desirable to potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell, the enhanced curb appeal and energy efficiency add long-term value to your home, making it a worthwhile improvement. Customize for your style. Bay windows come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to tailor them to suit your Auburn Hills home's aesthetic. Whether you prefer a classic wood frame for a traditional look or sleek aluminum for a modern vibe, the customization options are endless. You can also choose different types of bay windows, such as canted bay windows, perfect for Victorian-style homes. Box bay windows, great for a modern, angular aesthetic. Oriel windows, ideal for creating a dramatic effect on upper stories. Choosing the right bay windows for your Auburn Hills home. When selecting bay windows, consider factors such as your home's architectural style, your budget, and your desired level of energy efficiency. Partnering with a reputable local contractor ensures that the installation is done professionally, maximizing both the visual appeal and functionality. Conclusion: bay windows are more than just an upgrade, they're a statement. They bring a touch of elegance, improve natural lighting, and enhance the overall aesthetic of your Auburn Hills home. Whether you're looking to boost curb appeal, create a cozy interior space, or add value to your property, bay windows are a perfect choice. Ready to transform your home? Explore the possibilities and let your Auburn Hills home shine with the timeless beauty of bay windows. Would you like to include specific services, local businesses, or products in Auburn Hills in the article? Let me know.